kids, this is Teacher MJ. Today, we will learn about the sound and the things that has the beginning sounds of R, R, R. Are you ready? Let's begin! This is Robbie Rabbit. Robbie Rabbit says R, R, R. Can you do it with me? One more time. Robbie Rabbit says R, R, R. Good job! Next, let's identify the things that has the beginning sound of R, R, R. Rabbit, ring, rock, rainbow, rocket, ribbon, radio, and robot. Those are the things that has the beginning sound of R, R, R. Good job! Are you happy? Have you learned a lot today? Thank you so much for listening and watching. See you again!